Ricky, happy birthday, 50th Golden Boy, Oscar de la Hoya.
Merry Christmas.
Pinoy San Diego.
Ricky, maligayang bati. Naway malasing ka at mabusog sa pagmamahal.
Hello po, Boss Ricky Sherika ng Alter Wave Band. Happy 50th birthday sa'yo. Galing sa amin ng Mayonnaise. Ako po si Ricky Tirona. Ingat po palagi.
Sa Motive Mayonnaise, happy birthday kay Ricky Serica mula sa Altered Waves San Diego.
Hi, good afternoon, good evening sa inyo dyan, San Diego and family. I would like to greet my friend, Bro Ricky. Happy 50th birthday, bro. Enjoy your day and celebrate with your friends and family. Thank you. Peace.
Hello, kumusta na ang aking pogi-poging pinsan? Wishing you a happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Magkita na lang tayo once makabalik ako ng US, maybe next year. Thank you. Okay na. Happy birthday, Ricky. Ako nga pala si Martes, anak ng tang natin mo. Pagpisan tayo po. Salamat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito. I'm Rosel, your niece from the Philippines. Hope you enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Ricky. Enjoy your birthday with your friends. I'll see you when I come back. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ricky.
Happy birthday! May cake ka! May cake ka! And ice cream! At saka soda! At saging!
Birthday, Rick! Ilang taon na tayo? Nasaan ka ngayon nagsisilibra? Sige, ingat ka dyan, Noy, ha? Ingat ka dyan, Noy. Isa-isa mo dyan.
Happy birthday, Bunso. I love you. Hintayin mo ako dyan. Pupunta ulit ako dyan sa 1 taon. Kailangan ko yung address mo at saka telephone number. Okay? Love you. Ingat ka dyan.
Happy birthday, Uncle Ricky. Long time no see, and I hope you're doing well. Enjoy your 50th birthday, and I hope that you're able to enjoy it, and we'll see you again in the future, and the future trips to come. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I hope to see you again in the future. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Uncle Ricky. I hope you have a wonderful birthday there. See you soon. Happy travels soon, and I hope that you get a lot of miles out of your travels around the world. See ya. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ricky. Happy birthday, Uncle Ricky. You're so tough that today's your birthday. You know how tough that is? That's a million plus aura. Anyway, stay safe in your travels. I hope you there in America is so fire. I hope inflation's not really that bad. But happy birthday. God bless you. I hope your music is fire. And yeah, happy birthday. Whoa!
Hi Ricky, happy 50th birthday. We wish you good health and success in the coming years. I hope you enjoy this day and see you around.
Happy birthday, Uncle Ricky. I love you, miss you. I'm always praying over for you for health and your safety. And come back to Washington soon so we can go hang out again.
Hey, Kuya Rick. Hope you have 50 wonderful years. Love you.
Love you.
Brother! How you doing? I hope you're having a blast on your birthday. We didn't know about this one. I totally forgot it was your 50th. But anyway, we are here to help you celebrate your birthday, and we want to greet you
a very, very happy birthday. And we do love you and we miss you and we want to come see you pretty soon. Hopefully as soon as I can walk and get on that airplane. Alrighty. Happy birthday. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Uncle Ricky. Love you. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin. Sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y malasing mo kami. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Congratulations on your 50th birthday, Tito Ricky. We miss you, we love you, and we're so proud of you. We hope to be in a nice sunny San Diego one of these days. So enjoy your day, enjoy your celebration, have fun with your friends, and everybody in your family here misses you. See ya!
Golden birthday, Bunsoy. I love you. We love you. We miss you.
Ricky, happy birthday! Ilan taon ka na? Mag-asawa ka na?